High above the quiet forest, I perched on the edge of my nest, gazing at the endless sky. Today was the day I'd been waiting for, my first flight. My brothers had already taken off, but I hesitated. The wind ruffled my feathers and the ground seemed far below. "Don't be afraid," my mother cooed gently. "The sky is waiting for you." I took a deep breath, spread my wings, and leapt. At first I tumbled, but then I caught the wind. I was flying. Joy burst in my chest as I glided between branches. From that day on, I explored every corner of the woods, and every evening I'd whisper to the stars, "I was afraid, but I flew."